Hello YouTubers, today is May 18, 2019 and I'm going to do an unboxing video of the Garmin Forerunner 945 GPS fitness watch. So I just got the box now via UPS, the package, and I'm very happy to do this unboxing video. I have been so excited waiting for this watch to arrive. So let's get to it. Okay, YouTubers, so I got that package today, May 18th of 2019. I'm gonna show you the package. I still haven't unpacked it at all. I haven't ripped the package open yet. So here's the package. Again, my setup to do the video, I don't have a higher tripod, so I can't show you the entire box. But anyways, I'm gonna begin the unboxing now. So here's our friendly Benchmade knife. I'm cutting through the box now. Again, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this watch. About 3 days ago, about 2 or 3 days ago, I did an unboxing video of the Amazfit Stratos 2, which I got me one of those watches, which is an affordable version that has always on display and a lot of other features that high-end watches such as the Garmin Forerunner line have. But I always wanted to get a Forerunner because it's in a higher tier. So I got the box out of the package, and here it is, the Garmin Forerunner 945. And again, I'm very excited to have this watch and to be able to do this unboxing video with you guys. To give a little bit of a backstory, I had a small of an inconvenient issue with the company who I ordered from, which is Ray. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but I bought this off REI Coupe, Ray Coupe. And again, it's not that I'm throwing out there my personal business, but I didn't buy it with my credit card. My cousin Chilito, thank you again, Chilito, for helping me out with this. I have some issues with credit going on, so I had my cousin make the purchase for me, and I created the account on the right website, and it was my cousin's credit card in which we made the purchase. So guess what? My order was on hold. My order was on hold for like about 2 days. When I called to find out what was going on, I mean, in my view, they were not as on the top professionalism their customer support, because I got into a small little argument with one of the agents from Ray. And like as he told me, we're trying to protect her. I totally understand that they're trying to protect their the identity of the person, or I guess they're just trying to look out for the person to make sure that nobody was making a fraudulent purchase. But again, everything in the end was able to be sold out, worked out, and they got my order through. They got my order approved. So thank you, Ray Company. Thank you for approving the order and sending it out. So here's the unboxing video of the Forerunner 945 made from Garmin. This watch is beautiful. It's excellent. It has so many features, so many metrics used by high-end athletes, and I'm gonna read out some of these features. I just cut the box open now. So as far as the battery, as you can see there, it has a 2 weeks. It can last as long as 2 weeks. The size is 47 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken, compared to the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch is 44 millimeters, the biggest size of the two sizes they came out this year. Again, this is the review of the Forerunner 945. The watch that I'm holding right now is the Amazfit Stratos 2 that I got about 3 days ago. But the Forerunner 945 is just on another level. This is a high-end, a high-tier, high-end flagship, however you want to call it. But they're just on a different. They're Forerunners, especially this type, the 900, the 945, is on a different level. Well, I'm cutting the box open. Oh my God! And here's the beautiful, beautiful watch. And here it is. Here is my baby. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the box. I should read out. So here is the watch. This foam material. I'm gonna try to turn it on. The band looks very. I mean, it feels sporty, similar to the band of the Stratos 2. I wish I could be able to compare them both side by side. Yes, here they are. Look. So I'm gonna attempt to turn on the Garmin. Another thing, the Garmin, the Forerunner 945 does not have any touch screen, so it's all buttons, and I prefer all buttons than to have a touch screen. This Stratos has buttons, but I can also play around with. It has a touch screen display. Okay, for some reason I don't think it's turning on, or maybe I'm doing these things incorrectly. I'm gonna try to press on the buttons. But anyways, this is the Forerunner. I'm just taking the Forerunner 945. I'm just finishing taking it out of the box. Oh, what a beautiful watch. What a beautiful watch. So the name there, Garmin. So let me see why it's not turning on. Maybe it came out with the battery not charged. That's the only thing I can assume, because the battery is not charged. So I'm gonna hold this button, and I'm gonna hold it like for 3 seconds and see if it turns on. It didn't turn on. I'm gonna hold the back button, and it still has the protective, as you can see, the protective plastic on the screen. I'm not gonna remove it from now. So I'm gonna try these other buttons and hold them for a couple of seconds to see if it turns on. Nope, it didn't turn on. I'm gonna have this one, see if it turns on. Push the other one. Okay, there, it turned on. It was the light button that I needed to press. It just turned on right now. Okay, so let it do its process and initiation. So I'm gonna see what else is in the box. Let me take this out. I want to take it out very neatly so it doesn't damage anything. Let's see what else is in this box. What else? I'm so excited, guys. There's nothing else there. Look, the box is empty. I would assume the charger comes in the remaining of the packaging. Oh, there it is. The instruction manual. It has an instruction manual. A manual. Look at this. Forerunner 945 comes with this neat manual. You're not used to seeing manuals nowadays on electronic devices and things. This is like some sort of warranty pamphlet. So I'm gonna put this back in there. I really don't need to read the manual step by step. I'll probably do later on, but with all the videos I've been watching on YouTube, I kind of know pretty much what action to take. Okay, this is the battery the charger. So it comes with its charger, but I had already ordered a pair of chargers on Amazon, so I'm not gonna be using that one. And it has like an extra. I guess this is where the lip of the strap goes. This I wouldn't know this loop. I wouldn't know what to call it, but they send like a spare one there. So I'm gonna put this back because I have a charger. I have already a dedicated charger that I'm gonna be using for the Garmin. So I'm gonna leave this one in its box. So I'm gonna put this packaging back in the box. And what else? Let me see. Let me see if I can do it right. Kind of fits in there. I don't know. I didn't do it right. I didn't do it correctly. It's not fitting flush. Maybe it's the other way around. Nope. Maybe it goes this other way. Well, anyways, it's not going in. I can always figure that out. There. It fits flush. So I'm gonna. Oh, the foam. I'm gonna put this back in place. Let me move the watch out of the way So again, there it is, the Forerunner 945 unboxing review. And again, I said it doesn't have a touchscreen. So now I'm gonna remove the protective plastic. So I'm doing it along with you guys watching. Here's the protective plastic. I'm gonna lay it on top of it. So let's see, how do I go around this setup? Again, I'm not gonna do this setup I'm not gonna do this setup on this video because this is an unboxing video. So whatever comes next, as far as pairing it to my phone and things that are doing other procedures that are not part of the unboxing video, I don't think is relevant, because the video was geared towards just focusing on the unboxing and unboxing review. Again, I purchased a watch about 3 or 4 days ago, a little bit longer than that, and I bought it from this company named Ray Coop, and everything worked out in the end. The price of the watch is $599. To send it out from California to Florida, if I'm not mistaken, taxes were approximately $42. So in the end, I'm gonna pay back my cousin, I believe, $642, and I don't mind paying this because this is a high-end watch. I tried the Apple Watch 4, and it's a beautiful watch. Apple has caught up to a lot of the things they needed to work on the Apple Watch, but I believe that they're missing out on the a watch not having always on display, such as this type of watches. As you can see, always on display should be a feature that any watch should have, and the Apple Watch simply doesn't have an always on display mode. The consumers should have that option, and they don't. And as far as the battery, the Apple Watch 4, they're doing a great job. I mean, I tried out the Apple Watch for about a week, and it would last me for about a day and a half, but nothing relatively as close as a Garmin Forerunner. I mean, look at this. And the box, it reads out the battery life of this watch is up to 2 weeks, of in battery mode, 10 hours in GPS. The Apple Watch has their specifications are much more less than this. So a 2-week battery life, you can't beat it. You cannot beat it. So thank you again, YouTubers, for watching along with me an unboxing review of the Garmin Forerunner 945. Thank you so much, and be blessed.